respected super, teacher, respected guests, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about importance of education. Education is very important to all of us. Our home is our first school, and our parents are our first teacher, where we learn how to behave to others. Madrasa education is very necessary in our life. Through Madrasa education, we learn develops our personality, moral, and physical power. Without education, our society cannot develop. Education is the only key to success in personal and professional life. It provides a various types of knowledge and skill is a continuous process. We start when we take birth and ends when our life ends. It is also a slow and secure process of learning which helps us in cognitive knowledge in provide the nation with manpower promoted. National unity and uplifts public awareness. I would like to mention the word of the great political leader Nelson Mandela. That is, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We can use education as a weapon to reduce inequality, gender discrimination, and many such issues.